This project turned out to be a ton of fun. Let me show you exactly how we did it in less than a minute. We started by finding some really cool designs on Etsy. Then we purchased the designs from the makers and we cut them out on our Cricut machine. After we got the stencil applied, we began filling in all the gaps with our Scorch Marker Pro. The Scorch Marker is really cool. Once you draw on the wood with it and apply heat, it will burn the wood only where you drew with the marker. Now we have to remove all the vinyl and get our heat gun ready to go. I recommend using a heat gun above 1000 watts, something that gets hotter than 500 degrees. You'll see why in just a second. This is where the magic happens. You can see that as we apply heat with this heat gun, the wood is burning only where we drew with the Scorch Marker. It's a super fun, super unique way to create custom wood burn designs in minutes. And that's how we make our fall themed crafts in less than 5 minutes.